I made my paycheck in just 3 sales with digital marketing, and so can you. If you've ever wondered if a side business could really pull you out of a financial hole, today you'll see exactly how I did it with zero tech skills and no online experience. Stick with me because the simple steps I'm sharing with you could be the turning point that you've been looking for. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of 2. I've been where you are, wanting more time and income without the overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some of them gave me success, some of them left me struggling financially, but I never regretted following my own path. And when I reached the point where I needed extra income, not just to survive, but to thrive in retirement, digital marketing landed in my lap. I didn't understand digital marketing. I didn't have any experience at it, but the results have been life-changing. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. So let me break it down for you. When I say I made my paycheck in 3 sales, people often ask me, how is that possible? It started with a simple done-for-you digital marketing system. I didn't have to create the product or worry about complicated tech. The system came with an already built website, ready-to-go training, and automated sales process. My very first 3 sales equaled what I used to get in my 2-week paycheck from my job. That was the moment that I knew this was real. If you can follow the step-by-step process and stay consistent, you can have these results too. No fancy background is required. Are you thinking this makes sense, but I need to see how it fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. Here's the part that surprised me the most. I didn't have to chase anyone down. I didn't have to become one of those nagging salespeople. The system uses automation to share information with people who are already interested. It works while you're out living your life. I remember one day walking through the park, checking my phone and seeing a sale notification. That one sale paid for my entire program, and everything else since then has been 100% profit. This isn't about pressuring friends and family. This is about allowing a proven system to present the offer while you keep learning and growing. Ready to learn more and see how it all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I used when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. But maybe you're thinking, I'm not techie at all. Could I really do this? Trust me, I felt exactly the same, but this platform is designed for beginners. A done-for-you website, pre-written emails, and training videos made it easy. I followed the exact steps, set up everything in a weekend, and let the automation do the heavy lifting. If you can send an email or post a picture online, then you can do this simple business. The key is to start, even if it feels scary. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I use to go from zero to earning online. Another question I get is, what if nobody buys? The beauty of digital products is that the demand keeps growing and growing. People are searching every single day for ways to earn income from home and to grow new skills. By aligning with a product that people really want, digital marketing and education, you tap into a market that's growing exponentially year by year. Instead of guessing, you're offering a proven solution to a growing audience. That's why even my first sales came faster than I expected. Need a clearer picture of how this all fits together? Grab the free Freedom Formula blueprint. It's the same guide I use to get started, and it's totally free. The link's right below. And finally, let's talk about freedom because that's the real goal, isn't it? This business fits into your life, not the other way around. I fit this business in the pockets of my life, in the nooks and crannies when I wasn't really doing anything else, and it started working for me. If you think you can't do this, think again. You can. Anybody can do this. This business fits into your life, not the other way around. I can spend time with family, traveling, doing other things, and it's running automatically in the background 24/7. The best thing about this business for me has been waking up to 900 in my account. Waking up barely awake and seeing that money had been deposited in my account overnight. That is just incredible to me. And that is freedom. Those first three sales gave me breathing room. The income that's followed has gave me hope for a secure retirement. You deserve a business that supports your lifestyle and grows with you. Digital marketing can provide exactly that. You've seen how I replaced my paycheck with three sales in digital marketing. Imagine what's possible for you if you start today. Here's my question for you. What would an extra paycheck do for you right now? Would it help you pay bills? Would it help you buy something you really want? Would it help you go on a trip? Comment below and share your dream. You could inspire others to take that first step. If I can do this with absolutely no experience, then you can too. Your only job is to start. Now that you know that I made my paycheck in three sales with digital marketing, you might want to learn how I earned $8,350 in 1 month with the same done for you system. It all starts with watching this next video because when you pair that with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.